So now I'm here. Hi, I'm back, and today we're going to be mixing things up a little bit. We're going to be making dishes using true honey. This is harvested by bee farmers in Kerala, and you know, ever since I started using this, I really like it. You want to know something really cool? Like how on products that are made in India, it has made in India written on it. This has made by bees on it. How much more truer can the honey get? So you know what? Let's just dive into it. So today we're going to be making a honey sesame peanut chicken. Doesn't that sound delicious? So what we will be needing for that is we're using boneless chicken. This is about 250 grams that I've chopped into like cubes. We have 100 grams of flour. And to season this, we're going to be using garlic powder. That's about a tablespoon and a half. Chili flakes, about a tablespoon. Mustard powder, a tablespoon. Salt to taste. And an egg. This is what we're going to be using to coat the chicken. So to make the sauce, what you will need is 4 tablespoons of chili oil, a tablespoon or so of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of dark soy, toasted sesame, this is about 2 tablespoons, some toasted peanuts that I haven't crushed in like a mixie, but I've done it by hand. That gives the whole dish a nice texture, salt to taste, some spring onions, some garlic cloves, that about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic that are finely chopped, and also some diced peppers and onions just to go with the whole dish. And of course our star ingredient for today, honey. We're going to be using it in the marination and in the sauce. We've got about 3.5 to 4 tablespoons of honey for the sauce and about a tablespoon and a half for the marination. So we're going to start off by making our marinade. For that we're going to add in our mustard powder, our garlic powder, our chili flakes. You can alter this a little bit if you want it to be too spicy. I mean, my family likes it like super spicy. And of course the honey. Ooh, look at that. And once we've got all that in there, we're going to give it a nice mix. Okay, and once it starts coming together and you've got every last bit of the honey in there, we're going to add in our egg too. You want to give this a nice mix, and once like it's all mixed and we have one nice marinade is when we're going to season it with some salt to your taste. Okay, then we're going to dunk in our chicken into this. And then we're going to marinate this and just give it a little mix so that the whole chicken is coated very nicely in this marinade. So we're just going to let this rest for about 10 minutes or so because we're using boneless chicken. It shouldn't take too long to marinate, and then we'll be back. Now the next step is we have some flour. We're going to be dipping and coating this chicken into the flour. And then we're going to be frying it on a really low flame till it becomes like a little less than golden brown. So now that we have all of our chicken coated in this yummy marinade and in the flour, we're going to be frying it. So come on. Medium low flame, you want to like fry this till it's a little lighter than golden brown. Oh, look at these beauties. So this is the color we're going for. Once you get this color, you want to put it out onto a kitchen towel. And repeat this process with all the chicken that you've got. Once we're done frying the chicken, we're going to be moving to the sauce. What I'm using today is a wok, but you can use any vessel that you feel comfortable using. I'm going to be starting off by adding some oil. Just a little bit, a splash of oil. And then I'm going to be, once that starts heating up, we'll add in our garlic. Once our oil's heated up, I'm going to be adding our garlic. And you just want it to become like slightly brown. Okay, nice golden brown color. obsessed with the color green. So once it starts browning like this, you want to add in your chili oil. It's gonna splatter a bit, but don't be scared. Okay. Once you've given that a nice mix, you want to add in your ketchup. So once this starts coming together, you want to add in your soy. Okay. And then we're going to be adding in our honey. And you want to give this a nice mix. And that honey is going to like caramelize a little bit and it's going to give it a very nice flavor. So that's exactly what we're looking for in this dish. So you want to be careful and check the salt at this stage, and only if you feel like it's necessary add more salt, because the soy and the ketchup and the chili oil already have salt in it, so you don't want to go overboard with the salt. So after you check it, you can add in the sesame now. We're not going to be adding all of the sesame, about half of it, and we're going to be using the rest once we add the chicken. The same with the peanuts. Give it a nice stir. So we're just going to be adding about a little bit of the spring onion just to give it that nice flavor of the spring onion. We're going to be keeping the rest at top of our dish. And at this stage, once everything starts coming together, you can see that the honey is like caramelizing a little bit, is when you're going to turn down the heat and then you're going to add in the chicken. At this stage is when we're going to be adding in all of our chicken. And you want to give it a nice toss in this beautiful sauce that we have. Oh, just look at that. Doesn't it look delicious? You can turn back the heat a little bit. We don't need to cook the chicken at this point because it's already fried and it's like pink. So we're just waiting for it to like coat properly. And our final ingredient that we're going to be adding into the pot is our bell peppers and onions. We don't want to cook this too long because we want the crispiness from the bell peppers and onions. We're just going to toss it so it gets all of those flavors in the marinade and the sauce everywhere. A little bit of fun in the kitchen. It's a little heavy. It's like a nice arm workout that we're doing. So now we're going to be adding the majority of our sesame in here. So we're going to be plating this beauty. And today I've used True Honey because True Honey is something really great about it. Is that they use no preservatives, it's 100% natural and pure, and it's not been pasteurized, it's just filtered. How cool is that? So it's like fresh from the farm to your bottle and into your dish. You know what time it is? It is time to taste this beauty. Of course I'm going to go for the chicken. So good. It's got that perfect balance of sweetness from the honey and the spiciness from the mustard and the chili flakes and the chili oil that we put. It's actually really good. And that's how honey sesame peanut chicken, which is so delicious, is made with love. Bye bye. See you soon.